Good day, everybody. So, as we created a habit, right, to have these presentations, video recordings, where, as much as I can, I would like to help you, support you in your preparation of EPSO competitions. And I thought that the subject of today will be how do you sustain the effort of preparation, right? Because obviously it's an effort, right? It's a marathon, it's not a sprint, right? An EPSO competition. So I will start, obviously, the first thing, which is sine qua non. You have to start with reading the notice, right? You have to be aware what is exactly that they are asking, like application forms. So for the moment, obviously, we know that there is a CV, then there is 4 questions of motivation, and I would recommend you to do the best quality you can, because you never know who will check them, at what moment in the competition will be checked. Then once again, go back to the notice, read carefully what are the exams, what exactly that is the meaning of the exam, so that you prepare accordingly. And let's not suppose that you have understood, you read, you understood, you know your notice, you know what you're supposed to do or to prepare, and now we go to the preparation. Now, for the AD5 that is now announced, right, there are 4 exams. Number 1, reasoning test, right, which is verbal, numerical, and abstract. So this is one test. Second, you will have a written test, now, which is called EUFT, whatever is called. What do we know? It's a written, right? Normally it's called a briefing, but it could be called a note, could be called a report, could be called speech. So however it's called, stay with the idea that you have to write. It's a written product, right? Then mostly checking communication. And then you have 2 MCQs, which is one for the substance, which is the European policies, and the other one is for the digital skills, right? So these are your 4 exams. Now, my suggestion, and should be strong suggestion, is to do the practice, if not every day, at least every second day, right? So imagine that you take a reasoning test, which is about 1 hour in one day. Then you do a structure for a briefing, which should take something like half an hour. Then you should do a fiche, a template, or revision of the policy, another half an hour. And then we go to the revision of the digital framework, again, a half an hour. So if you count about 3 hours preparation, yes, I would say it's unrealistic to put it in one day. But then I would say at least take 1 hour per day and organize yourself so that twice in a week you do one thing, right? So we imagine that you start on Monday with the reasoning, you continue on Tuesday with the MCQs, which are the kind of short templates for the revision of these things. And then you go on Wednesday with the written, which probably will take more. You will need another hour. So if you have 1 hour on Monday, 1 hour on Tuesday, 1 hour on Wednesday, then you prepare the 4 exams. And then you continue again Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, another one. Okay, now Sunday will be your choice. Either you take free or you do more than in the rest of the week. But I would say that you have to get with this sustained effort in order to get prepared the best we can, imagine, for the exam. See you next week for even more thinking or, insights for the preparation of the exam.